Hi, I'm Skyler Fines. Welcome to AgamidCG, and today is day 17 of my 30-day sculpting challenge. The prompt for today is an eye study. Eyes are something that I've always struggled with. Even when I'm drawing them, the eyelids always end up wobbly, and especially if I try to sculpt them, I can't make them look right. So I thought it was time to do a proper study and really focus on them. For this one, I started with a soft cube to carve into, mostly so I wouldn't be tempted to turn this into a full head sculpt. I slowly built up the brow and nose area, focusing on the underlying forms, and carved the eye socket back into the zygomatic arch. And this is where it got tricky. Almost immediately, the eyelid shape was misshapen as I tried to pull it out from behind the eye. I had to dynamesh pretty early just to get enough working resolution, and then I spent a lot of time trying to fix and refix the shape. I honestly spent a lot of time here, building it up, tearing it down, adjusting the eye placement, trying to keep things feeling realistic without overworking it. When I moved to the upper area, I got stuck again. There's the brow, but then there's also the subtle area between the brow and the eyelid, and I never really know how much volume that I should put there or how it should transition. So I kept doing what I always end up doing, is adding a lot of volume and removing it, and then slowly nudging things until they start to feel right. After that, I added a bit of detail to the eye itself and the caruncle, and then started shaping the lower eyelid. I kept going back to that upper area above the eyelid, trying to refine it without making it lumpy. I pushed the caruncle in a bit more and started defining the eyes more clearly. I tried to add some eyebrows, but that kind of failed. I don't really have a brush setup, and I'm not sure how to create brows without using something like damn standard. Near the end, I did a light smoothing pass and tried a few quick fixes, and then time was up. This wasn't my favorite sculpt, mostly because I was surprised how long it took. I thought I was going to be able to finish this quickly and then maybe move on to something else like the nose. But if you aren't an expert on eyes, working on all these little subtle areas and transitions can take a lot of time to get right. Eyes definitely feel like one of those things that just takes a lot of repetition, a lot of practice, and understanding of the anatomy. That said, I do think this is one of my best eyes so far, and that alone makes it worth it. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have ideas for what I should sculpt next or feedback in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more art and tech stuff from me, and I'll see you on day 18.